One thing we've seen companies in the past do is build complex solutions. You've got planning systems, manufacturing excellence systems, you've got MRP systems. Where we've seen companies struggle is connecting them using a unified interface. The value of building an infrastructure and building a new age AI-driven optimization solution is actually thinking about decisions that live together. Everything that touches inventory, including procurement, inventory management, warehousing, should ideally sit in one space so that you've not got multiple systems that are making decisions that conflict against each other. So that's why it's important to have an integrated solution and start thinking about building optimization as clusters of use cases instead of one big use case at a time. One of the beauties of working on the Optilogic platform is the customizability. So you're not looking at one platform. Optilogic isn't just one kind of a solution. You can build your own algorithms or build your own apps around the logic that you create. So that's one of the things that we think working with Optilogic has helped us deliver great results for our clients by customizing the solutions for them.